Hi guys, and welcome back to the Pretty Natural channel. I am your resident Pretty Natural Kim, and today we are going to be tinting our eyebrows. Alright, so basically the idea came to me because we're stuck inside, and to be honest, for the past couple of weeks I really did pop down. I just do my hair, I just paint my toenails. I really did try to see how best I can sort of get myself together in order to feel how I felt before this whole quarantine thing. So I remember I bought some eyebrow tint. This is the eyebrow tint that we will be using today. The brand is called Godefroy. I think that is how you pronounce it. This product was made in the USA. The shade that I'm using is dark brown. It comes with instructions. A 10% cream developer, or hair color mixing sticks, or hair color applicators as they call them, and it comes with 4 brow color capsules. It also came with a mixing bowl, but I couldn't locate it to film this video, so I'll be using a cover to mix the products together. Just some random cover I have around the house. I've never tinted my eyebrows before, but because I still have to go to work, I want to seem a little bit more presentable in the fact that I have to be wearing these masks, so everything down the bottom here is not seen, so from here to here is what is seen. So I really wanted, and I want to not wear makeup because it dirties up the mask, and some other little things. I really wanted to just try and enhance myself to look as natural as possible, if you understand what I mean. Like, I want to go to work with that no makeup type of look. I even contemplated doing eyelash extensions, but I'm not sure. I think it's too close to my eyes, and I'm blind. The ear done weird already, so I really want to happen to me. Well, no need to happen to me. So anyways, we're going to get straight into the video. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can talk things. Let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna be pulling back my hair because I don't want my hair to get in the way. You have to be really careful when you're doing things like these because they can lead to blindness, so you have to ensure you do the things properly. Alright, so as you can see, my eyebrows are not groomed whatsoever. Like this, is it in focus? This is what I'm talking about. They are not groomed whatsoever. I haven't groomed my eyebrows in a while, so I'm gonna take some time and kind of groom them just the regular way. The white stuff that you see me putting on my eyebrows is actually lotion or face cream. I use a face cream along with one of those little razor thingies to groom my eyebrows. So when I finish shaping them with the razor, I use a cotton pad with some alcohol on it and just wipe the area clean. I'm gonna take the cover that I mentioned earlier along with one of the color capsules. I'm gonna mix the concoction in this cover right here. So what you see me doing is adding the powder from the color capsules into the cover, and that is what it's looking like. You get a lot of product in it. I must say a lot of product was in this color capsule. Then I'm going to be taking the developer along with the wooden stick, and I'm going to be mixing it together into that cover. Now you want to mix it together to get a creamy consistency. So if you are mixing it and it still looks powdery, you may need to add some more cream developer. But according to the instructions, you need to mix it until it comes out a very creamy texture. So I saw where I needed some more cream developer, so I added some more and I mixed it together until I got the desired texture. It was very thick and creamy, and that's what I liked about this product. I'm going to use the wooden stick to apply the concoction, the product, to my eyebrows. When I applied it to my eyebrows, I applied it to both eyebrows, and then I set a timer for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, these are my results. So this is a final look. Honestly, I don't even know if my brows got darker. I don't even know if it did anything. This is what I'm working with. I think it's a bust. I will look back on the footage to see, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a bust. I needed my eyebrows to look a little bit darker than this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can chat. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.